Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья!
Hello and welcome to Grammar Lesson 6 of the Practical Russian course for beginning and intermediate students. In this lesson you will continue with verbs of motion and learn about motion verbs to go, on foot or to walk, and conjugate it in the present tense. Remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow. The motion verbs in Russian are a small group of verbs which express various types of motion.
Ездить, ехать.
To go, to ride or to drive.
Ходить, идти.
To go on foot or to walk.
Летать, лететь.
To fly.
Плавать, плыть.
To swim or to sail.
Бежать, бегать.
To run. And there are other verbs of motion. Multidirectional and unidirectional verbs of motion were discussed in Lesson 9. See the info card above. How to conjugate multidirectional verbs of motion as to fly and to swim was discussed in Vocabulary Lesson 7, Parts 1 and 2. See the info card above. Virtually every verb, including verbs of motion in Russian, is either imperfective or perfective in aspect. This was discussed in Lesson 13. See the info card above. Imperfective or unprefixed verbs of motion come in pairs. The multidirectional verb
Ходить,
and the unidirectional verb
идти.
to go on foot.
Ездить, ехать.
To ride or to drive.
Летать, лететь.
To fly.
Плавать, плыть.
To swim or to sail.
Бежать, бегать.
To run. There is also a perfective form prefixed with
По,
that also come in pairs. The multidirectional verb
походить,
and the unidirectional verb
пойти.
to go on foot or to walk.
Поездить, поехать.
To ride or to drive.
Полетать, полететь.
To fly.
Поплавать, поплыть.
To swim or to sail.
Побежать, побегать.
To run. So, for each aspect of motion, imperfective and perfective, there are two verb forms, a multidirectional and a unidirectional verb form. Here you will conjugate the verb to go on foot.
Ходить, идти.
Imperfective aspect in the present tense. The infinitive form of the multidirectional verb to walk is
Ходить.
to say I walk is
Я хожу.
to say you walk is
Ты ходишь.
To say he or she walks is
Он Она ходит.
To say it walks is
Оно ходит.
we walk is
Мы ходим.
you walk is
Вы ходите.
they walk is
Они ходят.
the infinitive form of the unidirectional verb to walk is
Идти.
to say I walk is
Я иду.
you walk is
Ты идешь.
he or she walks is
Он, она идет.
it walks is
Оно идет.
we walk is
Мы идем.
you walk is
Вы идете.
they walk is
Они идут.
In this lesson you have learned about verbs of motion and conjugated the verb to go or to walk in the present tense. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. If you like this video, please subscribe, ring the notification bell and like this video.
До свидания.
And we will see you next time in the practical Russian course for beginning and intermediate students.